Hi, I'm Colin Fassnidge, and today, how to sharpen a knife. Why is it important to sharpen a knife? Well, number one, if you get cut with a blunt knife, it's worse than a sharp knife. Imagine that. Obviously, you got to start with a good quality knife. Wusthof, best brand on the market. It's got a great weight to it, a great handle, great steel. I love how it feels. Yeah? Good knife needs a good steel. Why do you need that? Because you sharpen your knife every time you use it. How do you sharpen? 45-degree angles. 45-degree angles. What do I mean by that? 45-degree angle, top to bottom. Nice and slow at the start. Slow and steady wins the race. It's pretty common sense how you do it, yeah? Filleting knife. Wusthof filleting knife. Same. Base to tip, 45-degree angle. Buy a good quality knife. This is beautiful. A good quality steel and you're set for life. Just add salt and pepper.